You don't need a plan, you need a step. Most people freeze at the starting line, staring at maps that don't exist yet. They treat the future like an exam they have to pass in one sitting. But life isn't solved on paper, it's discovered on the ground. One small move teaches what 10 hours of thinking can't. A single step exposes the next corner, the next option, the next correction. Momentum is louder than doubt. When you move, fear gets smaller and information gets bigger. Direction sharpens only for people in motion, not for those waiting for perfect weather. Start ugly if you have to. Start slow if you must. Just start. The road rewards the rolling wheel. You don't need certainty to begin. You only need the courage to take the first step and let the rest introduce itself along the way.
Start without guarantees in your pocket. Steps are the keys that slowly unlock it. Fear gets smaller the longer you move. Truth gets clearer the more you improve.